Most people get this wrong. They assume that all e-commerce platforms are equal for dropshipping. But the surprising truth is that Shopify and Ducon serve very different needs depending on your budget, audience, and long-term goals. Let's start with Shopify. Shopify is a global leader in e-commerce platforms and is particularly strong for dropshipping because it integrates seamlessly with apps like Oberlo, Spocket, and DSers. You can automate product imports, inventory updates, and order fulfillment, making it easier to scale. Shopify also has hundreds of templates, professional payment gateways, and a strong app ecosystem. The downside, Shopify's monthly cost starts higher, and some apps for dropshipping add extra fees, which can add up if you're just starting. On the other hand, Ducon is designed for simplicity and affordability. It's popular in India and emerging markets, and lets you launch an online store quickly without coding. Ducon's pricing is lower, making it accessible for small businesses or solo entrepreneurs. However, Ducon has fewer integrations with dropshipping suppliers, and the platform lacks advanced automation, which can make scaling harder if your business grows fast. The surprising truth is that the best choice depends on your goals. If you plan to target international markets, sell large volumes, and want automation and flexibility, Shopify is likely the better option. But if you're testing a local market or just starting with a small catalog, Ducon's simplicity and cost-effectiveness make it an attractive choice. In conclusion, Shopify and Ducon both have strengths, but your decision should be based on your growth plans, budget, and technical needs. Shopify is powerful and scalable. Ducon is quick and affordable. Evaluate your priorities before committing. Subscribe for more comparisons and honest reviews to help you choose the best tools for your dropshipping business.